F3, I have 3 name ranges. Cool. Using a name range. So how can we do that? So equal to, again I will press F3. Then I want to see 2019 minus F3 2018, beginning of 2018. Okay, and I simply press enter. See, the formula is being auto calculated in the bottom. 7266 is the maximum value in 2018. Let's check. Yes, 27199. 27199 is the lowest. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Get Perfect, and my name is Vismay. So in today's video we are going to learn everything about name range. Yes, this is just a Excel tips and tricks. This is not an advanced formula, or it's not even covered in basics. It's just a tips and tricks which can make your life really easy when you're doing a calculation. So without wasting any further time, let's move on to the video. So this is the example for today. I'll leave this Excel in the description box. Make sure you download this and practice it at home so that you become master in Excel. So I'll just increase the size of this Excel. Now I have types of shops. I have the business done for the year 2018 and 2019. Okay, now suppose and everything which is been colored, that is going to be in formulas. Okay, suppose I want to I want to add up the total business done in 2018. So the simple formula what we use is SUM, open brackets, and I select all the cell range, right? And this give me the exact value. But here we'll do something different. Okay, we'll try to do the same thing but in a different way. So how to do that? Before I do that, I need to first select this cell range from say B3 to B8, and I want to name this cell range a particular name. So I'll go here. This is one way of naming it. I say business space 2018. Just pay attention. Okay, I gave a name of business space 2018, and when I press enter, it doesn't accept. This is why, because whenever you are giving a name to a specific cell range, it should not contain a space. Also, it should not start with a number. It should always start with a alphabetic letter. Okay, there should not be a space, and you can use a underscore if you want to give a space. So I'll just say okay. The cell range has been selected. I'll go over here. I'll say business underscore 2018. And when I press enter, then it takes the name. And when I go on this drop down list, I can see business underscore 2018. So I go to any of the other sheets and I just go here and click business 2018. See, this cell has been selected. Okay, now I'll use the formula SUM, open bracket. Now instead of selecting the number, or instead of giving the cell range manually, what you can do is you can directly type a name for which you have given, directly type the cell name. Okay, so the business, see here you can see it has been auto populated. Just say tab and close back. Okay, this is one way of doing it. Right, now here I again want to give the cell name. So instead of going over here, what I'll do, I'll click anywhere over here. I'll go to formulas. Okay, I'll go to define name, and I press plus key. Okay, and I write the name business underscore 2019, and it is asking me to select a cell range. Okay, I'll select this entire cell range from C3 to C8, and I say okay. So now when I come to this drop down, I get two name ranges. One is 2018 and one is for 2019. Similarly, if I go to any other sheet of this X workbook, and if I select business 2019, it throws me back to that particular name range. Now the formula remains the same. Equal to sign SUM, open bracket, now instead of typing, because see, if you have a big Excel sheet and you have so many name ranges, you can't remember exactly what is the name range given for that particular cell. Okay, so what you can do, you can simply press F3. Yes, in F3 you will come to know all the name ranges which are there in this Excel workbook. So here I want to select business underscore 2019. I selected that and just press OK. So the business 2019 is auto populated and I close the bracket. Okay, this was the second way of doing it. Just change the format of this range. Now here I want to understand the difference between 2019 and 2018. So regularly what we used to do, normally we used to select the cell range, say C3 minus B3, and I press OK and I copy this formula and drag it to the bottom. But here we don't want to do that. What we want to do is we want to do this using a name range. So how can we do that? So equal to, again I will press F3, then I want to see 2019 minus F3 2018, business 2018. Okay, and I simply press enter. See, the formula is being auto calculated till the bottom. Okay, now I want to find the difference. So now here I also want to do the sum of this. No, I don't want to do the sum of this. I just want to keep it as it is. Now here I want to know the difference. So difference is this upon 2018 into 100, difference in percentage. So what I want this upon the business done in 2018 into 100. So I want this to be calculated everywhere using a name range, and I don't want to use a cell range. So what the formula remains the same, equal to, here I'll try to type business. Here I want to type, okay, we forgot one step. Before doing this step, I want to give a name for this particular cell range also, so that we can find a different percentage. So how to do that, you have already seen how we have done for 2018 and 2019. So similarly, I select all this cell range from D3 to D8. I'll go over there and I say difference. Remember to give a name which is relevant to that cell range. Okay, don't, now I'm giving this name range to a cell range of difference, so I'm keeping the name as difference. Don't keep it something else. Okay, enter. It would be very easy for you if you have a very big Excel. So now if I say F3, I have 3 name ranges. Cool. So now let's start with the formula, equal to difference upon business of 2018 into 100. See, so I've got the differences also. Hope you understood what I have taught you till now. If you are liking this video, please hit that big thumbs up button so that I get motivated to create more such videos. Thank you so much. Now see, we have created different cell ranges, 2018, 2019 differences. Okay, we have different types. Now I want a summary for all this. So this is sheet 2, where I want the total of 2018, 2019. Now I don't need to go there and select a formula. Normally what we do is equal to sum for 2018, then we'll go here, we'll select this total sum range, close the bracket and enter. So normally we do this, but now I can, without even toggling the sheets, I can say sum and I say business 2018, close. I say sum, open bracket, I say F3, I select business 2019 and I say OK, close bracket, done. So the sum I have calculated without even going back to that sheet where the actual data is. That is because I have already named the cell ranges. Okay, now similarly, instead of sum, I'll type here average. I want average of 2019. I'm sorry, 2018 first. So business 2018, close bracket. I got an average. So you just want to cross verify the average, just select this. Here you see in the bottom 54,243. That's correct. Similarly for 2019, I open bracket, I say business 2019 and I say close bracket. I get the average. For maximum the formula changes but the name range doesn't. Okay, 2018 7266 is the maximum value in 2018. Let's check. Yes, 7266 is the maximum value in 2018. Similarly, let's check it for 2019. 70295 is the maximum value for 2019. So the formula is working absolutely fine. Now let's try the last thing, minimum. So minimum formula MIN. If you have not seen the videos on this, I'll leave the link in the I button. Please go and check that. Okay, minimum for this 2018, I just typed DUS and I got the name range, close bracket. Minimum is 22811. 22811 is the minimum in 2018. Similarly for 2019, F3 2019, okay, and close brackets. 27199 is the lowest. Hope you understood how to use a name range. This will make your life really easy. And the last thing you want to know about this name range is you can go to this formula tab, go to the define name, and whatever name range you have been defined, you can delete them by just selecting and delete, selecting and delete, selecting and delete. Okay, so once you delete everything, the formulas which were there will go off. So make sure you copy paste all those formulas first and then go ahead and delete. But as per my knowledge, you should keep those as it is. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit that like button, share this with your friends and family, subscribe this channel and hit a bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a fresh video. And thank you for watching. Please do take care of yourself. Bye.